everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp19 Excel Chapter 1 HOA assessment OKOS. In this project description, as a manager of OK Office system, you want to calculate the retail price, sales price, and profit analysis for selected items on sale this month. You will calculate sale price based on discount rate. Finally, you will calculate the profit margin to determine the percentage of the final sales price out over the cost. You will adjust column and row setting, move and copy data, format the worksheet, and apply page settings. That's our project description. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Cengage courses, Pearson Plus courses, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my Instagram account, which is given in the description of this video. We will move to our first step. Start Excel, download and open file name Exp19 Excel Chapter 1 HOE Assessment OKOS. I have already downloaded this sheet. That's our sheet. We will move to our second step. Our second step is find all the occurrence of amount. We will copy the amount. We will copy this one. We will go to the find and select this one. We will select find replace. Here we will select put find what as a amount, and the second one replace with the price, with the word price. We will copy this and paste it here, replace with, and select as a replace all. So all replacement done. We have made two replacement. So that's our first step. Our third step is you want to autofill to enter a series of code representing the year 2021, the month 09, and the number 100. Enter this number in the cell B6. We will copy this and go to the cell B6. That's our cell B6. We will That's our cell B6. We will paste this one as a this code and use autofill to complete the sequence to the range B7 to B11. So we will select this one and we will go to the autofill. Here we will use as a we have selected this one, and here we will use a autofill. So it's now filled. You see here it's increasing one by one. That's our third step. Our fourth step is the OKOS worksheet contains spelling error that need to be corrected. Use Excel to check and correct the spelling error in the worksheet. The review tab contains the spelling tools. So we will go to the review tab. In the review, you will go to the proofing, and here you will select the spelling and change all the spelling error. Yes, change, and spelling check complete. You are good to go. Now it's completed spelling check. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is the worksheet contains the cost and retail price. You want to calculate the amount of markup. In the cell D6, enter a formula to calculate the markup amount, which is difference between the retail price and cost price. We will go to the cell D6. That's our cell D6. That is the difference of the retail price minus cost. What is the cost? That's our cost, and we will press enter. So we have got the our markup price in the cell D6. Copy the formula to the range D7 to D11. Hint: the formula is retail price minus cost. So we will check. We have used retail price minus cost. We need to fill this formula up to D11 like that. In our sixth step, Each item is on sale this week. The sale price X is present of the retail price. You need to calculate the sales price. In the cell G6, calculate the sale price. Copy the formula down to the range G7 to G11. The formula is either retail price minus percentage of multiplied by retail price or is equal to retail price multiplied by 1 minus percent of. So we will use any formula we will use here as a retail price into what he is saying, retail price minus, we will use here as a minus sign. And what is the our third step? Percentage of multiplied by retail price, where what is the percentage of multiplied by retail price again, and we will close our brackets and press enter. So we have got our sales price in the cell G6. We will copy this formula downside to G11. So we have got our results. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is the profit margin is the ratio of the net profit as a percentage of revenue. The formula first calculate the net profit between the sales price and the cost and divides that by sales price. In the cell H6, enter a formula to calculate the profit margin. Copy the formula to the range H7 to H11. The formula is sales price minus cost over sales price. So we will use here as a start our brackets, sales price minus cost over sale, sales price, which is G6, and press enter. So we have got our profit margin G6, sales price minus cost over sales price. So we will copy this formula up to H11. So we have got our results, profit margin. That's our seventh step. Our eighth step is the filling cabinets are out of stock, therefore you should remove the product from the list on sale. Delete row 8 that contain the filling cabinet data. So we will go to the row 8, we will select the row 8 filling cabs data, we will select this one and we will select the delete, and now it's deleted. 8th row is deleted now. That's our 8th step. Our ninth step is you want to insert a row to display the heading furniture above the furniture project. Insert a new row 8 and type furniture in the cell A8. We will copy this and we will go to the, here we need to insert a row. We will select as an insert row and we have inserted a row and we will paste there as a furniture. Bold the word furniture in the cell A8. So we will bold this one. We will go to the home tab. We will bold this one. We will bold this one. And what we need to do? Hint insert on the home tab and on the shortcut menu. So that's our ninth step. Our 10th step is column A is too narrow for the product name. You want to increase the width. Increase the width of column to 28. So we will go to select this one column. We will right click this one and go to the column width, and here we will type as a 28.00 and press OK. So it's now width increased. That's our 10th step. We have total 23 steps in this assignment. I have performed 10 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. or you can just comment on this video so I will get you soon. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates.